In this tutorial, we'll cover JumpCloud Samba configurations and pair with Cloud LDAP. Enabling Samba support allows for LDAP users to authenticate to endpoints that require Samba attributes within the LDAP directory. This tutorial will explain the JumpCloud configuration. Configuration of the endpoint authenticating to JumpCloud may vary and may require vendor documentation to complete. To get started, navigate to User Authentication and select LDAP. To see details and configurations, click the LDAP instance. To configure Samba, select the checkbox Configure Samba Authentication. You'll now see several attributes appear below the checkbox, such as Workgroup, SID, and Samba Service Account. You'll need to elect a Samba Service Account. To do this, use the drop-down menu and select the JumpCloud user account that you've elevated with the Bind DM privilege. If you do not see any accounts in the drop-down, check out the tutorial Configuring LDAP or associated Help Center articles. In our use case, I will elect the Samba SVC account to be my Samba service account. Once Samba authentication is configured for LDAP, it must be explicitly enabled on a per-group basis. In certain applications, a Linux group must be created for group presentation to function properly with the Samba server. In our example, we're going to enable the sales user group to have a Samba authentication. To enable user group for Samba access, navigate to the User Groups tab in the LDAP configuration, select the user groups to enable, in this case, sales, and then ensure that the user group has Samba authentication enabled. Select the Save button in the bottom right to confirm the changes. Once this has been saved, anyone within the sales user group will have the ability to use their JumpCloud credentials to authenticate to Samba shares, depending on the permissions and ACLs you set on those shares. To learn more about configuring and utilizing JumpCloud's Cloud LDAP and Samba configurations, check out our Help Center articles.